If you use Phone Link for notifications, it loses all its uses if the notifications don't work. So in this video, we will show you how to fix it on Windows. Now for the first fix, enable notifications for the Phone Link application. Do it by opening Settings, go to Notifications, toggle it on, scroll down to the Notifications from Apps and Other Senders section, select the Phone Link app, enable the toggle under Notifications, and check the boxes that read Show Notification Banners and Show Notifications in the Notification Center. Moreover, check in-app notification settings by opening Phone Link app on your PC. Go to Settings, click Features, then under Notifications, enable all the toggles. Lastly, allow Phone Link application to run in the background. And in order for you to do it, open Settings, go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, locate Phone Link application on the list, go to Advanced Options, click the drop-down menu under Background Apps Permissions, then choose Always. So that's how to fix Phone Link application notifications not working in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.